Hadin chi sngi balalap ya ka wei ka met jong hati balayap ha ka wei ka klaw ha ka saw mer ha ka than bernihan bala suba ba uyap na ka jing shapat ha ka bording electric ka Tnat Wildlife minta ka sngi kala penkhoi no ya ka met jong uni hati da ka ba shu thang ha ka ding kumpapen kan ma yo uni hati bala thia yap ha ka klaw la lap hinin ka sngi da kinong shnong ka shnong kamur kuchi bernihan kiba la pyntip shah Tnat Wildlife but they hadin bala pelong ya jing token but la Pyndep ya ka post mortem la thang no ya ka met jong hati la sakhi lang ru ha ka ne ka sngi bala thang ya hati da ka jing don lang u DFO ka wildlife u sachin gavin u range forest officer u ba lining wa lang RFO u Dr. Duwaki Rengat, Assistant Professor ka St. Edmunds College ki Dr. Nakatanat Veterinary, lembat ki wei kinong tray Nakatanat Wildlife. Habakran kinong thok khubor u DFO ka Tnat Wildlife u sachin gavin u loong ba ka Tnat Wildlife menta ka sngi kala thang no ya ka met jong uni u hati ha ka ba la le ru kat kum ki kandon jong ka Wildlife Protection Act but la le ru kat kum ki kandon khnang man pentikna ba kinum don ki ba shim kabu ban klong ya ka met ne ot ya ka banyat la da shu tap ha khando but dei na mar ka ne ka daw la shu thang no ya ka met jong ni u hati ule thu ru la thang ru ya ka met u hati hadin bala Pyndep ya ka post mortem examination de ki doctor ha ka ba ya menta kimpat la ban ai ya ka kaipon hinre la shu suba ba uni u hati u dei u bala klat na ka jing shabat ha ka bording electric shu ha ka be dei but ka jing klat uni u hati ula pinshai ru ba uni u hati ula bandei u hati ba 1 watt bam bat ka kynhun henry ulangat no ha ka ne ka jing shabat ha ka bording electric but ban pentikana ban numbu jingma yaki merat but what yaki brio ka Tnat Wildlife kan yakran sani but ka Tnat MEECL ban penkhoi pha yaki sainar bording electric khnang bakum kane ka jingja kanum ja shu hadin habon ula benrap.
Errors or the areas where the voltage lines are low hanging, especially 33 kV. Now, after this incident, we come to know, as per procedure, we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are
Dalam tabler pum electric pro trading kelas sport dah ada black
Yesterday we come to know about this incident. This is basically death of elephant due to electrocution. This electrocution happened due to low sagging 33 kV electric line. Now this is unfortunate incident that it has happened, unnatural death of one wild elephant. Just to take this remedial measures, we already instructed MECL to check out such points where the elephants may cross. Will do in coordination with MECL one survey, and we'll try to rectify these errors or the areas where the these voltage lines are low hanging, especially 33 kV. Now, after this incident, we come to know, as per procedure, we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are disposal of wildlife article rules 2023. As per that, committee has already been made. Then we all members were present, and then in their presence only, this carcass is burned. Now this actually veterinary department has done a post-mortem report. They have not given their official report. Still, prima facie, what they revealed to us is that this is death due to electrocution. This is unnatural death, and they will submit report through their competent authority to us maybe tomorrow. So with that will be a kind of evidence or report for us. So as per procedure, now we are just disposing of carcass through incineration. So there should not be any stealing of wildlife article such as its tusk and some other parts of the body. So we'll dispose of carcass as per that procedure. Especially this area is not that much inhabited by wild elephants. This elephant, there is a group of 3 wild elephants. It was roaming till Umling. They came down, but since this is national highway is very nearby, we did not expect that they will come to this area. To avoid this such incidents, we need to work in coordination with MECL, especially MEPDCL, who do the transmission this power distribution lines. So for that there is a mechanism to do this joint verification. This is kind of one of the learning for us, and we'll take it that it should not happen after this. That we will do joint efforts with the MEPDCL to rectify such lacunas.
Haban ai gajing khubli ya urang ba shnong bos ke tri shnong jong ka khat lai me tamul pusi ki di rang ba jong ki kila ai ka jing betip shengi ha ka ba de bat ka jing lap jong ki riew nong song shnong na kan ka jaka yo tau hati ba ya pa kan ka jaka ti kile don lang bat ngi hi adu menen adu menne kil sewan sa shemphang long pasum ai jing khubli ki ni ko ya uni hati alap ka shnong riew jong shnong bat kila suba bo shabat hakala wak elektrik te nakaliang jungi mar masintip ngile po shi kan jaka ngilai persyang ban naduh menimir ngia sa sini baru simit bani ap mo ba kanam don kono alor ba hati ula yap te kumbalong isa mentan ba idon kam ban pen kena ba ni hati ngin hap thang kum karul te yak bang lale menta te nakaliang ki doktor mani kilewan kile pelut kapor ba kodor jungki bat adu menta ki bat ai ka report jongki hari kile she thu ngi ba kadai hina ki sabat lai nomor bunsin hakajing suthu mo yong badangim thang sumudur ngiatep yuni hati sumudur ngisim kanuksa dia ba atep don gibreu ki baniyati kini od ya gibinyet ki od kini kitai kata kalong bean ban laj na kita gi karul pemi di ban thang ba kanang ba kanong di pelut baro